everyone, Jen here, and today I am going to show you our bathroom. It's our master's bathroom. It's pretty small, and I just want to let you know right off the bat, it's not new. When we moved here, it was all pink. I know some people love pink, but it's just not my style. It had wallpapers before, and that came down like before we moved in. I have to get that off. I do not like wallpaper. I mean, right now there are wallpapers that are more modern, but this was not. 3-4 years later, I told my husband that I had to do something with that pink bathroom. It was just an eyesore. I hate looking at it. I had to somehow update it, and I looked on Pinterest for ideas, and I told him, what if I could paint the tile and maybe under $100 to update the whole bathroom. And he agreed, and so I was pretty excited. And so I did the walls first. So I did that. It went really good. Rust-Oleum is awesome. I love to paint. I mean, the prep is the key. So you have to really prep it well. A year after we painted the walls, my husband and I decided to paint the shower as well. The shower is white, and it was just yellowing. It just didn't look good. And so we did all the prep, we painted it, but then a couple of days later, or like a week later, it started to peel off. And it didn't look right. It looked worse than before we painted it. And so I told my husband, we have to do something about it. And I think the reason is we didn't have any ventilation in that bathroom. I don't know, bathroom's kind of weird. I don't know why they don't have any ventilation. No fan at all, and no outlet. I'm like, what? I've never seen a bathroom like this. And so we've had mold issues, and that's really the thing that scares me. I said, we cannot live in this house with mold in our bathroom, especially in our bedroom, because that's when we sleep. So I said, we have to renovate this. And it took him a little bit of time to think about it, and he finally said, yes, it was time to renovate the bathroom. I've never really shared it here. I did share on my blog, but not here on YouTube. And so today I'm going to do that, and I hope you guys like this video, and let's go. So this is what our bathroom looks like. It's a mess. I have to clean it up. And here I use this one, and it's been really good with cleaning grout. And I just use like a Lysol bathroom foamer. And I bought this brush, and it's been really working good. Instead of me like scrubbing, and this is battery operated, so I don't have to do a lot of effort. So this one was a good purchase for me. I really like this one. And I will show you once I'm done and decorated our bathroom. So I'm going to be changing the shower curtains, and I'll see you when it's all done. And I found these two really cute bathroom for soap. This is from Goodwill, and these two I think is for toothbrushes, and it's so cute. It goes with my whole boho coastal theme in our bathroom, and so I'm gonna use this as well. So the floors we got from Lowe's. I forget the name. I can link in the description below and see if I could still find them. I love it. I love the Mediterranean look. And here's our mirror I got from Ross. Our fixtures we got from Amazon. If you're interested, I'm also going to link all the products below. I love the light. It's one of my favorite feature in this bathroom because it just have that beachy theme that I'm going for. We also added this paneling, or the shiplap, if you will. I like this paint a lot. I did the painting here. And we decided to go with the beams, the faux beams. And I love how the transition from here, and as you could see the top, it's also tiled. Same with the floor. So it kind of matches the floor. Our fixtures, everything is pretty much from Amazon. The tile, I love. The tile is also have the little waves to it. It's not flat. Also from Lowe's. It's not a big bathroom, but I just love how it turned out. I did all the decision of like what to get. My husband let me just decide and design this bathroom, and it's small, so I wanted to have that like good, like nice feature, like that coastal feel, light and airy, because I want it to be like a retreat, like you went to Hawaii or something tropical. And that's why I got that light right there, and I love that light so much. I'm also gonna link that in the description. And here it is, guys. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, comment below. So I will link all the products that we use in the bathroom if you are planning on renovating your bathroom. And also, here's a little tip. We bought all of the tiles from Lowe's, and we applied for their credit card, and it gave us 5% on everything we purchased. So that's a tip for you if you want to save money on renovation. That's pretty much what we did in our kitchen renovation and our bathroom, and it saved us money because, you know, all that 5%, that adds up. And if you buy like big purchases like countertop or, you know, tiles, can get expensive. My favorite sources for faucets, fixtures, the best price around is Amazon. I went to Lowe's and looked at their fixtures and their sinks. It's just costs way more than Amazon. And if you want to save money on that, I would highly recommend shopping on Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour, and I will talk to you later. Bye.